Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to copy your checklists that are included in your cards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then connect with your account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise you can just create a new account by signing up with your email. After that you will need just to follow these simple steps. So the first step will be is to go to your boards. So I'm going to click on this board menu here in this navigation tab so I can access to my board lists or my boards list and click on the board that I want. And basically this is my board, and let's suppose that we want to copy this checklist. And to do so, all you need to do is to go to the place where you want to paste these checklists, because checklists are copied by default, or they are saved in the Trello application. So basically we need to add a card, for example this one. And now let's have some checklist, and I'm going to import it, copy items from, and we are going to copy it from checklist. And as you can see, it has the same items as my first uh, checklist. And of course you can have another one like that, and basically we are going to there, go into checklist again, and if I go I will find that there is two other checklists that we have. The first one, it is called checklists. uh, let's change the other name of this one so I can show you that we can have things. So checklist 2, and let's go again to the other card and go to checklist and copy from checklist, and we will have the checklist 2 because it is the same one we have just copied. This checklist that is in this board, which is to do board, and we have applied it here in the list that is called 1, or the card that is called 1. So basically this is how you can copy and paste your checklists in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.